Well, for more, Yogesh Sheetal joins us from Amravati in Maharashtra, and Debyendu Mondal also joins us from Bihar. Well, my first question to you, Yogesh, all eyes will be on the Nanded and Amravati in the second phase as voting for 8 seats is scheduled there. Can you tell us more?
The two constituencies which will play a very significant role in the entire election, result, especially when it comes to Marathwada region, because there are 8 seats which are going to poll, and 3 out of 8 seats are from Marathwada and 5 from Vidarbha. Coming to Nanded and Amravati, why Nanded and Amravati are very important? The first reason is Nanded. We know that Shankarraj Chauhan and then Ashok Chauhan, because recently we have seen that Ashok Chauhan has now joined the BJP. So since Nanded has been a bastion for Congress for a very long time. When it comes to Amravati, earlier we have seen there are, there's a trend you can see in Amravati where the BJP was not getting good momentum. But now, earlier we had seen that undivided Shiv Sena. We know that Shiv Sena is recently split into 2 Shiv Senas. One is the Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray, and second is Shiv Sena that is led by Eknath Shinde. Now, what happened in Amravati region, basically Amravati constituency, now there are, 8 in all 8 seats in Marathwada, 7 seats were won by undivided Shiv Sena and BJP in the last election 2019, and the 1 seat that was Amravati, which was won by the MP Navneet Rana, who was contesting independently last time. Now Navneet Rana has joined BJP, so this is going to be very interesting in Amravati as well as in Nanded. Coming to other pockets of this region, particularly like Hingoli or Akola or Buldhana and also Yavatmal or Amravati, the entire region, there are multiple issues that are in the in the part of the speeches of the various leaders. Campaignings are already intensified. Recently, yesterday we had seen the campaign by JP Nadda. Today Mallikarjun Kharge is going to address a rally. In Parvani, a day back, Narendra Modi had addressed a rally. So currently the issues are currently surfacing, and a lot of things that are in discussion. But the main issue when it comes to Marathwada, the main issue is sentiment, because since the time we had seen the Marathwada was earlier, was never under British rule, and it was under Nizam rule. It was a long time when Congress was ruling the entire region. Later on, we had seen that how Balasaheb Thackeray led the entire Maratha community reunited, and then it became a bastion for Shiv Sena. Now, since the Shiv Sena is now divided, so it remains to be seen that how the mandate of this particular region will be shown in the result, and that will definitely decide the fate of the entire result of Maharashtra at this point in time. Yeah.
All right.
Over to you.
Oh, all right. My second question to you, Debyendu. For the second phase, if we talk about 5 seats to go to polls in the state, if we talk about the Simanchan region, what's the latest happening in the run-up for the polling? Can you tell us about the various campaigns happening?
Well, good morning, Lipakshi. This particular region, as you said, is the Simanchal region of Bihar, is going to polls on the second phase of the general elections, which is on the 26th of April. So this region is very interesting, of course, because of the fact that the caste combination, which plays a very important role in Bihar, this particular region is mostly dominated by the OBC. So of course, most of the candidates fielded both by the BJP NDA alliance, JDU, as well as the India alliance has fielded candidates from those particular community. So having said this, this particular seat where I am currently is the Katihar seat of Bihar. Here the BJP ally JDU's Dulal Chandra Goswami is contesting against a heavyweight Tariq Anwar of the Congress. Remember, Lipakshi, Tariq Anwar had been an MP from this Katihar seat for a very long time. But his influence is what we are hearing from this particular region, is that his influence in this particular region is quite heavy. So of course it is going to be a tough contest for both the BJP as well as the Congress. Having said this, all the seats in this particular region is being contested by the BJP allied JDU. For example, the Purnia seat is also being contested by JDU candidate. The Kishanganj, so is with Bhagalpur and Banka. So of course it will be an interesting contest here. Yesterday Amit Shah was here campaigning for the JDU candidate Dulal Chandra Goswami in Katihar. He also spoke about when Amit Shah was campaigning. Nitish Kumar, the Chief Minister of Bihar, and JDU leader was also present in the dais here in Katihar. So to perhaps give a strong message that the alliance of the NDA is a formidable alliance and that all the parties here are together in the alliance. So of course, today Chirag Paswan, again an alliance of the NDA, will be campaigning here in Katihar, and also Tejasvi Yadav of the RJD is also expected to be in the Katihar region to campaign for the Congress candidate Tariq Anwar. So of course, all combinations, including the caste combination and the religious combination, are being taken into account here while campaigning. So of course, it will be interesting to wait and see who this region votes for. But what we pick up is that some of the seats here are going to face a tough contest, given the fact, as I explained, the caste combinations that are prevalent in this particular region. Back to you, Lipakshi.
All right, political heat building up as the second phase we are nearing the second phase. Thank you so much for that information, Debyendu and Yogesh. And moving on.